Hello there, my friends. So these are the stools that I bought off Amazon. You can see they were $70 when I bought them. There's two of them, and there's supposed to be 4 steps to put them together. So I'm going to show you how to do that, even though I've never done it before, because I'm pretty confident after reading the instructions that this should be fairly simple. There is a part where I might need my wife to come into the room. Here's an earshot, because it says at one point in the instructions you might need 2 people. Use provided tools. 2 people are recommended to work together. All right, for heavier parts. All right, so let's do this thing. So step 1 is make sure you have all the parts. So we're going to do that first. So here's the parts page in case you lost your instructions. You can pause here and take a look at that. I'm going to make sure I have all my parts. All right, so get my exercise stuff out of the way. Oh, look, a brick that's like wrapped in plastic for some reason. Why would they wrap it in plastic?
Oh, no.
It's hilarious.
You tell me when you need my help.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, so here's the pad. Chair actually. Sit on. That's cool. One. 2. The base. Piece of base. Shiny. This one's dented. Look at that. See that then? I see it. Yep, you can see it now. That's all right. I don't care. It's $70. It's in the kitchen. It's going to get dented anyway. It's not like for some fancy restaurant or anything. All right. And so I got 2 of those. I got 2 of these. Foot rests. And the bar. And then we have the pistons. Alright, so unwrap these. Let's try to get that in here. Tie in a knot. Nice. That's cute. Yeah. That's relatively simple. Nice. Just wrap. Unwrapping a mummy. Which, you know, you do that every day, right? Unwrap mummies. I don't know why I thought of that. Because maybe I played D&D a lot. Yeah, thanks everybody for subscribing to the channel. We're just about 16,000 subscribers. I bet after Techo this week we'll have 16,000. And get off of there. It's pretty cool looking. Alrighty, there's that. So, got that. Now, this then part. And here's the tools. They have the ring around the base. So, make sure these are undamaged. Good. Yep. All right. Okay, so Step one is you take off this cap, throw it in the trash. Right? That's what it says, right? Step one, take off the cap, throw it in the trash. With force. Okay, I might need gloves or something because this is slippery. Oh, just needed like a little grip. All right, so we got that. So step two is take a ring and put this through the ring. So put the plastic cover on the base first, then insert the gas lift. So the plastic cover, I believe, is in here. It is plastic too, man. It's like flimsy. All right, don't crush that. Put one over here. So put the plastic ring on and insert the tube. Just like that, right? Insert the tube. All right. Great. Done. Now, step three, almost done. Put the installation and direction of the control unit can be determined on the arrow stickers on the control unit. Okay. It looks like we take this, the base of one of these chairs. So move this over. And put 4 screws in. Get the screws out and the Allen wrench. So we want this part's going to be a footrest. So you want that to face the front of the right. So you can put your feet up. If you put it this way, you can't put your feet up. So, and the instructions say something that's pretty smart. And it says hand tighten these screws, right, to 80% tight, and then firm everything up with the wrench later. But in order to get these in the hole, sometimes you got to use the wrench. Right, so the wrench. Allen key, Allen wrench, Allen Lavender, that's a good friend of mine. How you doing, Allen? I haven't seen you in years. If you're watching my videos, give me a call. He was a rocket scientist who designed superconductors. I designed his company's website. All right, cool. Let's do this. This one just screws in by hand. That's cool. Oh, okay. And then the arrow they're talking about. All right, so I don't know if you can see this. See the arrow? There's an arrow right here. And that faces front. That's the front of the seat. So that's what they meant in these not always perfectly translated instructions. Cool. Tighten these up. I don't know if you've ever used an Allen key before. If you've not, there's two sides to it. So there's the hex here, but there's also the hex here. This one's going to give you more torque. So when you're ready to like tighten these up a lot, you can put them in like that. Give them that final like half turn. The only thing is you can't do it, you know, you run into the pole here if you're doing it the whole time. So you use it like this first and then you use it like this. Basic stuff. That's for the beginners. But you know, you don't know until you know, right? So some of my most popular videos are things that seem obvious, but they're not. All right, so that didn't work. I'm putting this thing in here. I should be able to lift it, right? Oh, that's it now. Okay. So pretty good. So this shouldn't matter, right? Because it swivels. Doesn't seem like it matters what direction I put this in. This says, do not open or heat up because it's under pressure. Well, that makes sense. Okay, so this is the thing that's gonna press down on this in order for us to adjust the height of the chair. So now, all we have to do, I believe, put that in there like that, and we should be good to go. And that should be a chair, right? So if I want to sit on it, and where's my controller? Right here. I want to press to go up. So maximum height. Let's see. Let's get a tape measure. So your maximum chair height is 32 inches off the ground, and your minimum chair height. Oh no. Oh, you have to really sit on this. Oh my gosh. That's a serious piston there. All right, so it's supposed to hold up to 330 pounds, so that makes sense. So 32 inches high is the maximum, and 24 is the minimum, it looks like. So for somebody who's short like me, I get to rest my feet on here. My feet won't touch the ground, barely. This is pretty cool, actually, baby. Look at this. Not bad for 35. Look at it. That was super easy. I don't even know how long that took. I'll look at the timer.
Well, that didn't take long.
No, right? That took 15 minutes. I'd never done it before.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't hear any swearing or anything.
Not any. Not
What's
even
that
one
silver
swear.
thing for?
That's for the next chair.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, there's two.
Oh, these are lovely. I
Lovely.
love this.
I know, me too.
It's just the right size for us.
I know. And then you can, that's the lowest setting. And then you
yeah.
can, there's a piston.
Yeah.
It'll go higher.
Yeah, this
So,
is nice.
Go ahead and, yep. I think it's on your right side. There's a bar on your right side, I think.
So it goes higher if
Yeah.
I get up.
I think. It's pretty powerful. It might go
I
up.
see.
Yep.
I see. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
I like the swivel effect too. And they're pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Can you lean back a little bit?
I'll take a picture too.
All right. Cool. Yay, I can throw out my old chairs.
Throw out that old chair.
Yeah, that one old chair is
Both of
gone.
them.
Well,
Or whatever.
I'm gonna use
Just
this.
yeah.
And then we'll keep the other two.
Yeah. My chair's still fine.
Good.
But we'll have the.
We'll have them in case we have guests over or
Yeah.
something.
Oh, they're so
They can
nice.
fall apart.
Okay, and stop. Right, a little bit more toward me.
New
Nice.
chair.
Nice. Now get out of the chair
This one.
so I can get a picture of the actual chair. There we go. Nice.
Okay, that's it. That's your video. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon. I'm going to do the next one now, too.